calling Patrick about the passing of his mother.
Patrick, I am calling up all the family members. We're going to have a meeting. I need you to get to your auntie in England, and the two from Canada, and that other one down in Venezuela. Yes, your mother said me must call and let you know about it. If there's an emergency in the family. What? What type of emergency? What could that so urgent? Me not even want to tell you. You sit down good? Make sure you sit down good because this not sound good. Is your mother said to tell you that she pass off? So what type of talking is that? That's what she tell me to tell you. That not sound true? It is very much real. Very much real. Who dead? Who? Two mosquito. And the burial is going to take place at Anne's Park. Yes, yes. The mortuary is going to cost $3 million for the aliving of the two mosquito. Yes, yes. So you get to the other family member them and let them know about it, okay? All right. And I'll tell her. Okay, yes.